The next thing I'm going to do is go back in and edit that chart. So I'm going to create a drill path behind it. So again, if I go to this middle option here to edit, I'm going to create a drill path behind that, and we have this drill path option. This will expose the different layers of which we can then drill into. In this example, I'm going to drill from a bar chart into a pie chart. And I've got this little search box at the bottom, so I'm going to bring in the sales value again. But now I'm going to have a look at it by the payment method. And then finally, I'm going to drill into a data table. And I'm going to look at those individual sales. So I'm going to bring in the payment method. I'm going to bring in the store name. The store manager. And the product information. And finally the sales value. So just press save on that. And if I bring this up onto the big screen, and if we go through this, we can see in May that the majority of people in this scenario have bought by credit card, as we know. And if I click on credit card, we can see all those individual transactions that Janet Davies store has sold, and the individual sales values for those items. So very quick and easy to build a chart, true self-service business intelligence. So the last thing I'm going to do is show you the configuration. Again, this is something that can be switched off from the majority of your users being able to access. The configuration area is where you would connect up to the underlying databases and create users. In this scenario here, we're connected up to a retail data connection, and we have the object model, which are basically the fields and the database structures and the tables in the underlying database. Here we have a number of different database drivers which you can connect to. There's pretty much everyone, including Salesforce connectors to cloud-based database environments. Very simply, once connected up with a password and log on to the server, it will expose the various database connections. In this scenario here, we've got all the different tables that we could choose to connect to. I'm going to bring in this table by selecting it, press OK, and then the dashboard will go away, identify all of the objects in that field, in that database, and bring in the various fields with their underlying metadata around those objects. At this point, we might want to change the name of those objects. So in this case, we'll call this claim and press save. And we've now created those objects which will appear for those users that are allowed to see them in the design area in the dashboard. Thank you very much for watching the Pan Intelligence demonstration today. Please call us or email us at sales@panintelligence.com, or go to our website www.panintelligence.com for more information and to request a further demonstration, a meeting or pricing. Thank you.